Hello guys, today I have planned a little shopping for myself and for my brother-in-law. Behind me you can see this is my home and this is the street where I live. You can see a mosque there. Okay, so come with me. I will show you Friday market, Fahil market, malls and shopping stores. Okay, let's cross the road. This is the roundabout, Fahil roundabout it is called. Okay, this is Ajyal mall. The first theater in Fahil was in Ajyal mall. There is a nice mosque which is very near to my building. Wow, hammer. This is a shoe shop, very good for the ladies. This is a gold shop. This is very old gold souks. It is called souk here. This is Bait Auladna, very old stores for clothes, very old. Before the malls exist, this is Yal Tower where I am going. This very famous Arabic restaurant. This is where I eat my chicken grilled. These local shops. So this is my shopping complex today. Very famous companies office are also here. Let's enter inside. This is N for Nasser, so we will go first to Nasser. This is a mid-range, cheap, not so cheap, but mid-range products are available and not so costly. This is the reason I love it. Nice shopping mart, Al Nasser. It is a local shop here, and also there are many locations in Gulf country because the sandal is found in the basement. So we are going in basement. Let's go. Yes, this is the floor for sandals, slippers and everything for men and women. The first is women's section. They have more colors than us, mostly pinks and really cheap. See, it is 3 KD only. Yes, so now it's a men's section. See how cheap it is, it's a very good value for the money, good value for the product. See, it starts from 4 KD, almost 3.95 KD. You can calculate in USD or in your local currency. See, it is 2.950 only in Kuwaiti dinar. Okay. So my brother-in-law needs a sandal, and this is the reason we came here. But I think he is unable to find a good product because the one he already checked online, he will try to go there. So everything is available, even the gym items are available here. Dumbbell. This is a very good brand, Skechers shoe, especially for running, very lightweight, and I like this model. 15 KD. This is another model that I like. Maybe I will take in someday. I will go for it. See, this is one of the nice model. This 2 model I like. It is especially made for running and very lightweight. Usually there will be some offer, so we did not like any. Now since we did not like any item, so we are going now to other shop. This is a gold shop, again the old gold shops. This is also the branded gold shop like Malabar, Joy Lucas, Kalyan. This is near the NBK bank. Yeah, this is also one roundabout, and there is one KFC as well. In this area you will find a lot of currency exchange. This is the place where we people usually gather, me and our family Our relatives usually gather and meet. This is our meeting point. This is a very famous area. This is how people sell watches here. So now I have arrived in a SIM card store, and I want to buy a SIM card for my brother-in-law. So there are three items, three brand of SIM card: Orido, Extra, and STC. So we are going for Zan Extra because it is good. They give balance as well as data as well as free calls. So this SIM card cost me around 5.5 KD for 1 month. Okay, so this is the plan in Kuwait. Usually I keep all these accessories, I do not throw. So the time it will go inside it. So now it is time to go for my weighing scale. This is a GPass showroom and is a good showroom. So most of the electronic items you can find here, okay, and at a very affordable price with 2 years warranty, 1 year warranty. So this is the weighing scale. Let's check which is better. This is 3.5 kd, this is 2.5 kd. Let's check my weight. Oh wow, I'm only 70 with my clothes. Okay, let's check the other model. This is also good model, but they do not have any more model on this. This is only showpiece. So let's go for other. This green color. Okay, let's do a trial. Oh my god, not working. All household items, cooking items you can find here at a cheap and affordable price. Especially I will show you some products especially from India, made in India products. So this is what I like. Finally, this weighing machine I'm going to take. So everything you can find here, from rice cooker, from mixers, juicer, everything, heater, everything you can find here. Rice cooker. Here are some products which is made in India, especially made in India, not made in China. So many Indians love to buy from here. See, made in India. All these threes are made in India. See. Okay, this is final machine I want to take. Okay, let's check the weight. I don't know why it shows. This is the bill, 3.5 kg. So let's go to our next target is to get a sandal and a short for me. So we are going to Max. So in order to go to Max, we are crossing now Grand, Lulu Market and some shops, and finally opposite to this Lulu there will be a Max. Yes, we have arrived to Max now. Let's go inside Max. Beautiful, good arrangement. Ladies item first. Always ladies are the first in everywhere. Okay, let's go to the first floor of this, where we can find men's section. Okay, this is the ground floor. Let's go to first floor. Here also you can find clothes and household items. So let's go straight to the last, because there is the footwear section. See, these ties are not costly, very affordable price, only 1.25 kd after discount. You can find all these jeans shirts at very affordable price, maybe in under 10 kd. Nice collection of footwears. They have good collection, and this is what my brother-in-law already checked on internet, and he's impressed with this model, so he's going to buy this model. Yeah, this one, because he already checked online. And this costs 4.5 kd. This starts from 4.5 kd, but it is 2.75 kd, this particular piece. See what a nice shoe. Let's go and watch this pillow, how much it cost. I think 2 kd. Let's check. Nice jar for water. Let's check. I think it is 1 kd. $1.75, almost 2 kd. This is a copy of my old t-shirts from Super Dry. So done with my shopping. Sandal is here, and this is my short that I purchased, 3.5 kd. Let's go for billing. So billing is done and it's time to go home.